their creative minds. Get set for a frosty and fun session where we'll be drawing some delicious popsicles. Imagine these treats chilling in the summer sun. So, let's grab our markers and get drawing. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Okay, it's drawing time. Let's start with our chocolate popsicle. Sketch out the ice cream shape and drizzle some chocolate on top. Make it look oh so yummy. Make those lines bold and sharp, giving these chilly delights a standout look.
Wow!
Now, for our strawberry delight. Draw the ice cream and top it with a juicy strawberry. Give these popsicles some definition. Grab your black marker and outline them. Next up, a lemony treat. Draw the ice cream. Add some zest with lemon slices. Grab your black marker and outline them.
Awesome!
And for our final masterpiece, a watermelon-flavored popsicle. Imagine a slice with a bite. Draw it like someone's already enjoying it. Give these popsicles some definition. Make those lines bold and sharp, giving these chilly delights a standout look.
Wow!
Now, the best part, coloring. Dive into your color collection. For the chocolate popsicle, dark brown color. Light brown color. Peaches and cream color. Dark brown color. Orange color. Onto the strawberry popsicle. Green color. Red color. Pink color. Light red color. Purple color. Blue color. Brown color. Orange color. For the lemony treat, bottle green color. Light green color. Lime green color. Yellow color. Lime color. Brown color. Orange color. And for our watermelon, bottle green color. Light green color. Brown color. Red color. Brown color. color. Lastly, add some black dots on the chocolate for that final touch. Voila! You've just created a delicious popsicle party. Keep that creative vibe going and stay tuned for more exciting creations on Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more artistic adventures. Until next time, keep drawing and exploring your creative world. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.